What's the word? In the lab. Late night. Tired. But show y'all right quick. Let's see if y'all can see. That boy got them hub centric or however you call it. Got my adapter on there. Serpentine belt going all the way straight over there to that alternator. That pulley right there gonna come off. It ain't even touching nothing. But so far so good. Belt not heating up. I ain't hear nothing squealing. This old alternator belt that was burning from the start, it went on and popped off. But let me see something. Let me get my light there. No wobbling in the pulley or nothing. Gonna run it good and smooth. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. You looking good. I think I need to go get this alternator serviced because it's not putting out what it used to. But I had it for a while. I want to upgrade to a 370 anyway. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can get me old 370 on here now. Good. Nice and straight. Everything lined up. Almost squilling. Hopefully no more belt burning. Man, my boy got me right. That boy did the shit out there pulley. Can't let it run too long. I ain't got my fans on there. But I just wanted to show y'all what I got so far. That's that bad boy right there. No wobbling, no nothing. Going straight to the alternator. Serpentine belt. Got all the other V-belts on. So far we looking good. Looking good. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Coming along pretty good. Like I say, everything look good. I can't really do no little sound check right now, but I already see my voltage is not where it want to be. So it could be this alternator itself. Like I say, I had it for a while. It was on my other car. It's been sitting around. So it's probably time for me to go get it serviced. And like I say, that's just a 320. And that was in my other car. And I had bought it from my homeboy, so it was used then, and I had to get something fixed on it. So that's cool. All I wanted is to get the serpentine part working. Now that I see that's working, the sky's the limit. You know what I'm saying? If I can put a 400 on there, I think they said a 400 generate too much heat. I don't think that's for everyday use. but I think you can do like a 350 or a 370. I got to do some more homework on it to be for sure. That's just something I heard. Don't quote me on it. I heard somebody say a 400 on a car, it generate a lot of heat. Something they were saying about the heat. By me having electric fans, though, I ain't really worried about no heat. So if I can get a 400 on there, I'll put a 400 on there. I got the pulley for it now. It ain't no stopping. But I ain't gonna brag on it just yet. But 9 times out of 10, this right here is gonna work because it's coming straight from the crank. The belt not getting hot. Let me see. Oh yeah. Belt nice and cool. Oh yeah. Pulley's nice and cool. At first everything was all hot. Oh yeah. Yeah. We good, y'all. We good, man. That boy, he did his thing on that, man. He really did his thing on that. Yeah, y'all, I know my old motor look rusty and all that. Y'all remember it's been sitting up 10 years. That's cool. I'll paint it one day. I don't really care about all that long as it run good. But yeah, y'all, so far so good on the Serpentine build. We looking good. Like I say, I'm going to cut that pulley off. That's the old technology. We ain't worried about that no more. But yeah, so far so good, man. I ain't hearing no squeaking even on startup. Let me see. Oh yeah. Yeah, so far so good. No bell squealing. So far, I'm satisfied. So far, I'm satisfied, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. My boy took a little longer than he usually do to do the pulley. He had some machines to go down at his shop, and they had to do some wiring up there. He was sending me pictures and everything. They gave my boy hell up there, but not only did he do the pulley for me, because it took him a little longer, he dropped it off at the shop. You know what I'm saying? Came by and kicked it with me, dropped the pulley off, looked around, there's some stuff. That was his first time coming to my spot. He usually be tied up, but he stopped by the shop today, man. He cool dude, man. And he took care of me. And we done did a couple of adapters for me before, but this the first no, he did some precision made spacers for me before to stop a pulley from wobbling that I did a dual alternator setup on. Matter of fact, I think there was one on my Cadillac that he did. And I think that boy Rodney, I think I did a conversion, a serpentine belt conversion on his 307, but I forgot what I did, but I ended up needing to get something made by my boy. But that boy came through for me, man. So far, so good. Like I say, the only thing I'm not happy with is the voltage that the alternator is putting out, but that ain't nothing. I wanted to upgrade anyway, so you know with that being said, that just gonna give me an excuse to go ahead and upgrade. I know it's spinning fast enough. I actually got a smaller pulley, so it's spinning fast. Everything good. Like I say, it just could be the alternator, but it's putting out enough to where we might could sneak in a couple of bass lines. Oh yeah, and I also learned on here, y'all, the next time we do sound checks, I can't play the words. I'm gonna have to just probably tell y'all what the song is and then just play it out the trunk, because YouTube been getting on me about that. I ain't in no trouble about it, but I don't want to make no trouble. You know, I'm just trying to get in the door, so I don't want them looking like, man, he just gonna keep on doing it, huh? So the next sound check we do, man, like I say, even though the voltage's not right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my batteries on charge tonight too. Remember, I've been playing on them batteries. It could be reading a little low like that because the batteries are real low. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the batteries on charge overnight, and then when I get up in the morning, I see what the voltage is looking like. But either way it go, I want to go from that 320 up to like a 350 or a 370. So it's gonna get changed out anyway, or I'm gonna take that one and let them upgrade it, and it'll go right back on. But yeah, y'all, I just want to show y'all that, and we got some more stuff coming now. We can start moving forward. That's all I've been waiting on. You know what I'm saying? The voltage, I ain't even worried about the voltage being right. I'm worried about the setup working. Now that the setup is working, like I say, the sky's the limit. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no bells burning. I ain't got to worry about being on the highway, bells snapping. Each alternator got his own belt. Serpentine seem to be working good. My boy got the pulley balance. Look like perfect to the T, man. I'm telling that dude is awesome. I ain't gonna give up my sources. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want that there, you gotta go through me. You know what I'm saying? Can't give y'all all the information, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Tomorrow, the Cutlass over here. I'm doing the finishing little touches on that, man. I went on and dropped the tank back down, put him a new sending unit. I just didn't feel right about it, even though I fixed that old sending unit and it was working good. It seemed like it kind of did something funny to that gas hand, and I was like, nah. I said it'll be just my luck. This man get his car, and soon he get to driving around, something go wrong with the gas hand. So I went on and put him a brand new sending unit, and while I was under there, I went on ahead and upgraded it to an electric fuel pump. So on all my cars, I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna just start bypassing that old mechanical pump, running all new hoses and stuff with fuel lines, and put the electric pump on there. I think it seemed like when I did that to that Cutlass, just with that extra little fuel pressure, it seemed like it made it run a little bit better. So next thing I got to do to the Cutlass, I got the AC charged up. I got to see why his blower motor not coming on. Remember, I had to go behind wiring, so I ain't no telling what else in that Cutlass that they don't have hooked up. But yeah, like I say, my boy should have that car hopefully tomorrow, Friday. I'm hoping to get him on out of here this weekend, like I said. Um, I also did a motor job. I wanted to show y'all the footage, but man, it went crazy. I did the motor in like 24 hours. Then she didn't have the right key from the start. The car made it down here because I told the wrecker truck driver how to pop it out of gear. So the motor was already here. I dropped the motor in the car. They brought it Sunday evening. I started on it while I wasn't doing nothing. By Monday evening, I had the motor in. The car was ready to crank. Key didn't work. Waited on she sent the key man. Key man come put a key in there. We go to cranking up on the car. The car done set up so long the fuel pump went out. So I ordered fuel pump. Fuel pump come in. Car crank up good and everything. But they gonna have one more problem, cause I guess when the car ran hot at first, something happened with the radiator, and now man they got a little water in their transmission. So that's a whole nother little obstacle. But as far as the motor is in, it's another 3800. Y'all already know I do them with my eyes closed. But I hate that I really couldn't show y'all the footage, because I really want to show y'all step by step kind of like how to do that, how I do it, and make it quick and easy. But I also got a couple other motor jobs out there, so between one of those we'll get some footage in. But that was just an update on the alternator. A few more things I got going on. Sound checks coming soon, all kind of good stuff. So I'll holler at y'all later.